Repeat these affirmations inwardly or aloud, allowing them to settle deeply through mind, body, and breath. I notice anxiety without judgment. I allow sensations to pass. Awareness steadies me. Presence restores a sense of being calm. Observation reduces intensity. A sense of calm begins with noticing. I am safe right now. This moment supports me. My body recognizes safety. Stability returns. Safety quiets alarm. The present moment is enough. My breath calms my nervous system. Signals of safety spread throughout my body. My muscles soften and release. Balance returns naturally. Breathing restores a sense of calm. My system knows how to settle. My thoughts slow down. I release mental urgency. My mind can rest. Clarity returns without effort. Quiet replaces noise. Stillness brings relief. I release the need to control outcomes. I allow uncertainty without fear. I trust this moment. I let go of anticipation. Letting go creates ease. Trust restores peace. Anxiety is temporary. A sense of calm is always available to me. I return to balance with ease. I handle moments with steadiness. Resilience grows with practice. Being calm becomes familiar. I can experience anxiety without being overwhelmed. Calm and stability are accessible to me. I return to peace whenever I choose. I am calm. I am grounded. I am at ease.